Alright, on this one here, it said when they turn the shower on, they're still getting water coming out the spout here. So let's see what it does. Alright, so we're going to replace the tub spout here. The diverter's bad inside, and also when we shut the water off, you saw this stayed up. That should drop down as well. So we'll get this off here and swap out the tub spout. Has an Allen key slot up top here. Put the Allen head up there and break it loose. This one actually came loose. Here's the screw that's in there. You don't have to take it all the way out, but just showing you what it looks like. Now this should just slide off. There we go. That's the original one. Okay, here's our new one. And here's the Allen head screw on this. Once you have it in place, this screw here is the set screw. Once you tighten that down, you can see the screw coming up through, and that's what locks it in place. And you can see there's an O-ring in there that's already greased up. But before we slide this on, I'm going to scrape away this old caulking here, and then we'll re-caulk the new one on. Alright, got our new diverter. Go ahead and slip that on. Push it all the way back. And before we turn it down, go ahead and put our Allen key in. Now we'll just go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, let's test it out. Alright, now we'll just put a bead of caulking around here, and this one will be good to go. There we are. Alright, since we're here and we did the tub spout, we'll put a fresh bead of caulking around our tub faucet plate here. We'll have to scrape away that, get it all cleaned up, and bust a fresh bead around it. Okay, there it is. There's our spout. Cleaned up around the tub faucet plate and recaulk that. Just gotta finish cleaning up the debris here, and this one's good to go.